On September 6, GoPro unveiled their newest premium camera, the HERO12 Black. At first sight, it may seem identical to the Hero Black 11, but it has upgraded features that are especially useful for producers and film pros. However, even casual users will discover enhancements, such as a slight design tweak that both regular and first-time users will enjoy. The biggest little change: GoPro has improved its products by eliminating unnecessary features. You no longer need housing for drop protection or for using your phone underwater at depths of up to 33 feet. With the new flip-down mounting fingers, a camera cage is no longer necessary. Additionally, a normal 1x4 to 20 tripod mount is between these fingers, making an additional GoPro to tripod adapter superfluous. Due to my frequent misplacing of test tripod adapters, this improvement is a welcome relief. Thanks to this revision, I no longer have to use an adapter when switching between the tripod and GoPro mounts. It allows for a wider variety of mounting configurations. Longer recording times. The query, "Is the battery life still poor?" appears in abundance in the comment sections every time a new GoPro is published. Moreover, does it overheat like its predecessor? Being so small, GoPros are limited by the current state of battery technology. The longer-lasting Enduro batteries that GoPro is now including result from the company's efforts to improve battery life, including eliminating unused capabilities like GPS. Shooting at 5.3K 60 FPS and 4K 120 FPS now lasts 70 and 58 minutes on the HERO12 Black or 81 minutes at 4K 60 FPS, respectively, double the previous run times. It's important to remember that the processor and battery produce a lot of heat, especially at higher resolutions and frame rates. Thus, ambient temperature can affect the times we're talking about here. To safeguard both the camera and the recorded content, it may automatically shut down if it gets too hot. This is the price paid for portability. HDR photos and video. GoPro has improved the auto exposure capability in recent models, allowing for more seamless and rapid adjustments in video brightness in settings with shifting light circumstances. HDR video is a new feature on the HERO12 Black that was previously only available for still images. It helps highlight more detail in the dark and tone down overexposed areas. HDR is available at both 4K 60 FPS and 5.3K 30 FPS, with satisfying results in both cases. However, in the limited testing, the normal, slightly unnatural HDR effect was evident, and backlit pictures needed to be greatly improved. However, it is useful for situations with frequent changes in illumination, such as when passing in and out of tree cover, since it helps maintain consistent exposure settings. Horizontal vertical video. Shooting vertical video is a breeze if you don't need to mount your GoPro. The camera's fingers are fixed at the bottom. Therefore, turning it vertically isn't possible without a pivot arm or equivalent setup. The HERO12 adds a 9:16 aspect ratio option for recording 1080p and 4K video at 60 FPS. The new $100 Max Lens mod has a 177-degree field of view, allowing you to take pictures that stretch from the ground to the sky. Vertical video is all the rage on social media, but it's not a format I enjoy. This method of filming eliminates the need for cumbersome mounts and facilitates instant uploading without post-production. You can also use GoPro's Quick software or another tool to crop footage shot in full 8:7 aspect ratio to your preferred aspect ratio. Mics made easy. GoPro cameras have had Bluetooth connectivity for some time now, especially for mobile devices and remote controls. The HERO12 has a built-in Lightning connector, so using wireless headphones like Apple's AirPods is simple. When your headphones are in pairing mode, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the dashboard, and then hit the pairing button. When you are some distance from the camera, in front of it for example, or when it is situated outside a car, the camera promptly recognized my Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro earbuds, providing a wireless microphone option. It also works with voice commands and lets you listen to camera alerts. Even more pro. Both professionals and amateurs will appreciate the many new features of the GoPro HERO12 Black. It uses 10-bit color, which helps with color correction and eliminates color banding. With LUTs, the GP log encoding improves color management even more. Features including high dynamic range HDR video, enhanced stabilization, vertical shooting, and a tripod mount are accessible to all users, while wireless timecode sensing speeds multi-camera editing. Furthermore, the revised Easy mode has made the controls more intuitive, allowing for less complicated shooting. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.